In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or team. Once you're inside, take a moment to confirm exactly where you want to add the new user, because Monday.com lets you invite people at different levels depending on what kind of access they need. Next, navigate to the workspace, board, or account area where you want to add users. This part matters because the location you choose determines what the person will be able to see and work on. If you add someone at the account level, they may receive broader access, while adding them to a specific workspace or board keeps access more limited and focused. Choosing the right area from the start helps avoid permission issues later. Once you're in the correct place, click the Invite or Share button. The wording may vary slightly depending on the section you're in, but the goal is the same. You're opening the menu that allows you to add another person. If you don't see it right away, look near the top of the page or in the panel where sharing and collaboration settings are usually located. After that, enter the user's email address in the invitation field. Be careful to type it correctly, since even a small typo can prevent the invite from reaching the right person. If you're inviting multiple people, make sure each email address is entered accurately before moving on. Now choose the user's role or permission level. This is an important step because it controls what they can view, edit, or manage. Give them the level of access that matches their responsibilities. If they only need to collaborate on a board, a more limited role may be best. If they're helping manage work more broadly, you can choose a higher permission level where appropriate. When everything looks correct, send the invitation. Monday.com will then deliver the invite so the user can join the space you selected. Before sending, it's always a good idea to do one quick review of the email address and role to make sure there are no mistakes. Finally, confirm that the user appears in your account, workspace, or board. This helps you verify that the invitation was processed correctly and that the person has been added in the right place. If they don't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh if needed. And that's how to add users in Monday.com.